car back, bro. She ain't even saying nothing to me. She ain't had it for like 4 months, P.
For real?
Yeah. I mean, I need a finder's fee or something, like a rental fee. I need some topics, something I can expose. Some
Topics?
Yeah, some topics.
Okay.
I don't know.
Let's see. What people have been asking you about this week?
What people asking me about this week? Lately, everybody's been asking me about how to build their businesses. Right? Oh, how do I build build my business? It be stuff I don't even have nothing to do with. I don't do nothing with hair and makeup. Like, what I gotta do with hair and makeup? Like, I'm not saying I can't give you some advice, but it's like, okay, I don't know if you should use Remy or Brazilian or, you know, like, what am I supposed to say? Yeah, that's the one. That's the product. I don't know. I don't know how that works, man. So, I don't know everything. What I do know is I know how to go try to find the people who have the answer. I'm very, very good at finding the answer. And it comes down to just really, really being focused on making good connections on the internet and then sending an email. Some of you guys are afraid to send an email. Send an email, ask questions, man. And once you ask a question, spark the interest. People they'll engage if you say something that's not crazy. So, it is what it is. Boom. Oh my God! Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this getting me. Oh my God! Oh my.
You see how I do?
Listen. Hey, she thought I was. First of all, she seen the chains. She seen I was African American. I don't know what she was thinking, but she was thinking the wrong thing. Because when I hit her with, "You're costing me money by not having it at an adequate temperature inside of this room, and I'm gonna start charging you for those, and the contracts I'm missing out." She put it on the wall instantly. Instantly. Because I showed her pictures of a room full of people.
Right.
And it was hot. It was a contract I had. And basically, when we were in the room, like I'm telling you, it got up to like 76 degrees. Yeah. And you got a room full of people. You can't just tell me anything. I'm asking questions like, okay, what's the occupancy here? Okay. What's the money factor on this? What's the valuation? I'm asking all the questions.
She didn't think you know none of that.
Come on, man. She didn't think I know. So we sat down the other day, and I started putting her up on game, like boom, 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 boom. This is what I do know.
Right.
Oh my God! Listen, her head said.
Right.
She knew I knew, but she didn't know how much I knew.
Yeah.
She like, oh, I can't fuck with him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I can't swim to him.
Bro, the other day she called me. The other day she says she got the rollie on me.
Oh,
she said she got the rollie on because her husband used to work for somebody and they had a lot of watches. So she got the. She said she knew exactly what it was. She told me what model it was and everything. I said, dang.
Yeah.
Oh man, she was over here
Remember,
counting pockets.
That's a different conversation with them.
Oh yeah, that's a different conversation. And they do that all the time. You know, if you ain't gotta pay $100K
Right.
and you can defer that, what does it matter?
What you think? You moving?
If there's a building that pops up that meets the
You
requirements.
been looking at something?
Oh, I've been looking. There's one on Division right there on the corner. Dope.
Betting this?
You see what?
Betting this?
Oh yeah.
Way better, huh?
Oh, buddy, it kills this one. I gotta see how much it costs.
Oh.
Then two, I gotta see who will be able to help.
Oh, okay.
You know what I've learned over the years is most people think they need more than they need. What's the minimum credit that you need for a house?
620.
620? 620?
No.
Okay.
You can have a 580 in the house.
I let everybody determine. You can have like a 580.
For sure.
You can have like a 580 for a house. You got over a 580? Okay, well, listen. You can get a house.
Okay.
There you go. You got a house.
Okay,
Okay. Second. How much money do you think you need down?
Now with the FHA, we said 3.5.
3.5%. So, what if I told you there's programs that pay 100%? Huh? Oh, see, look at
what?
it. Is it?
100% of what?
So you can literally come out of the gate with no money down and then buy a house. The only thing you would probably have to pay for is your original inspection fees and things like that.
Okay.
You can even have the person who you're buying the house from pay all the closing costs. So you bought a house for no money. I got a friend named Ryan. Ryan, if Ryan ever see this video, I'm putting his business out there. I don't care. Ryan, I love you. Whatever. So listen, Ryan, they got him the 2 mortgage thing, and he didn't come out of pocket. He actually made $6,000 when he bought the house.
Damn.
Made $6,000 when he bought the house.
I got a question.
And bought the house with equity. What's up?
Does that only work here?
No, that works everywhere.
Okay, so I didn't know.
Yeah.
Curious.
It works
You see why I'm asking the right question? That's all I mean.
Yeah. See, if you in a different state, they got different programs everywhere. They have a lot of, like, if it's your first time buying a house, oh, absolutely. They got programs left and right. I need every last piece of debt you can give me. There's this whole notion of, I want to be debt free. No. Run that debt to me, because that debt is only going to make me more money. I don't want debt that I can't make money off of. I don't want credit card debt. I don't want car debt. I don't want any debt, like I don't want child support debt. I don't want debt that actually make it hard for me to live. I need debt that actually causes me to make money.
Examples.
Example, give me an apartment building that's $2 million. That's $2 million worth of debt, but that apartment building gives me $20,000 a month. My payment would only be like $14,000. So now here it is, I net $6,000. I made $6,000 and it pays for itself. But I got $2 million worth of debt. What does debt matter if it makes you money? The richest people in America got the most debt.
Right.
All the poor people at the bottom, black people have the least amount of debt. Y'all know that, right?
Really?
Yes. Black people got the least amount of debt. You know why? We don't own nothing. We don't own nothing. We got credit card debt. We got that scraper that we got off at 82nd. We got that $1,000 here. That actually makes you money. You'll never look at it the same. Don't go out there and buy something and all of a sudden you can't make the payment. I'm not saying that type of debt. That doesn't make any sense. Don't go. Now it goes back to it's gonna get paid off anyway. You see what I'm saying? It's still gonna get paid off. You see what I'm saying?
I got you.
If you absolutely gotta pay it off, listen, I could go pay off a house if I wanted to. But why? Just learning, bro. I every day I take in this. Every day I watch videos. Every day I go to sleep learning this stuff, and then asking questions. I question the realtors. I question the brokers. Why can't I? Explain this to me, and then I look it up. At the end of the day, I just don't like the word no. I'm arrogant about the word no. I don't like when people say I can't do something because I try to do everything. You know what I'm saying? When you tell me no, and I go somewhere else and they tell me yes, I thought you lied to me.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
You said I couldn't do it. I went to here. He said yes. Marshawn, I was on the phone with the people at. Remember I was on the phone?
Yeah.
The dude told me all kinds of stuff. I said okay. Hung up. Call right back.
Facts.
Let me get somebody else who's gonna tell me. Listen, who gonna tell me? Listen, I need someone to say yes. Listen, talking to a mortgage broker. Hey, you can't do this, Dre. You can't do this. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, cool. Let me call somebody else. There was a dude. Remember the dude Gibbs?
Mm-hmm.
The dude Gibbs said he called over 90
Mm-hmm.
brokers.
Mm-hmm.
He called over 90 brokers. Now this dude now he's worth like 50 million. I was like, man, did you see this? He's sending me links and stuff because we're trying to put together a play.
Yeah.
He's dope. He said, hey, whatever we need, we'll buy it. We'll build it. We need a building. How many do we need? Mm-hmm. That's who he is. How many buildings do we need? If you got the city on your side and they can do this, hey, how many millions do we need? He ain't playing. So
Because he want a piece of everything,
Oh,
no
he-
matter what. That's what he said.
he said I was gonna make him a billionaire.
Mm-hmm.
He says, Ben, you're gonna make me a billionaire. I said, not before you make me one. Not before you make me one, man. So, but yeah, man, the real estate game is very, very simple. And I say a lot of people fail because they think it's harder than it is, and they think bigger than their pockets. My biggest thing is buy something, buy it quick, buy something that makes money, and whatever you buy, you better not like it. You don't like it because you will stay there.
Huh.
No, this is purely for profit. This is, hey, I'll stay there enough to get to the next one. Listen, I have not bought a house that I liked. Here's the gray line, okay? Here, see, these are my lingos, okay? Here's the gray line. The property is only in 711 square feet.
And you renting that for
$3
$3 grand?
Oh, it's $26.50, but then she paid electricity, so it come out to $3 grand.
Good night.
Come on, man,
You
stop
killing
playing with me.
You killing them. How
Listen.
much you buy it for?
I bought it for $128,000. It's worth currently like $210,
Right now.
And you making $3 grand a month
and
off.
I'm making $3 grand a month off of it.
Daycare is still paying too.
Man, we're not even on that. We ain't even on that game yet.
Right.
Listen, we're not even talking about that because that's where you say, oh, that's ridiculous. When we get to the daycare stuff, you say, oh, that don't even make any sense. It's just ridiculous. Because if I explain, since look, you got me in the zone right now. You got me in the zone. I usually don't say all this.
Assets and liabilities.
That's it.